here. Welcome to my channel. Now we're gonna install a fog lamp on this car because it's a British car with Swedish registration and we need to install a fog light here. So when we took this off, there was not a hole in the fog lamp, and you can see here there's a fog lamp going there, but in this there was nothing. So, and now the engineering will make the hole here to install. So this will remove it and have to move it place there. Now we're gonna install this lamp here on this. So we make a hole. Doesn't fit. So this is what we did. We make the hole and we're gonna put this lamp here. And I'm gonna return the lamp, which I bought from Nissan. I don't know which lamp was it. Crazy. I can't believe it. And now we're taking the picture. I brought the vehicle for inspection. Now the fog light is in the right direction. And they asked me to remove this GP here. So my car is finally passed the exam for the police inspection here at this shop, as you may see. And now we're going to the office to register officially the car with all the documents. So they put me a notice, right steering wheel. That's very funny. So everything is okay, just the steering wheel is on the right side. But it's right to be on the right side.